Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your JotForm account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Calendly from your JotForm? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to remove your Calendly from your JotForm anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you're going to switch service providers, so you need to remove your Calendly. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your JotForm account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my JotForm, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to remove your Calendly from your JotForm, it's going to be handled on the form level, not on the account level. So if you need to remove all of your Calendly links, unfortunately, you have to go through each and every form that you have. So first, what you're going to do is here on the left side, click on all forms. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the JotForms you have. You can see I just have these two. So choose the one that you want to remove your Calendly link from. So for example, this one, once you hover over it, it's going to turn purple or blue, and you're going to see these three options here on the right. Click on edit form. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see your JotForm, and if we scroll down, you're going to see I have my Calendly link set up right here. So in order to remove this, what you're going to do is just kind of hover over the Calendly section, and you're going to see this three options right here. You're going to click on this red trash can. Okay, now you're going to see this pop up here, field deleted. So now my Calendly has been removed from this JotForm, and we can confirm that by clicking on settings here on the top center. Once you do that, you're going to click on integrations here on the left. It looks like a puzzle icon. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and search for Calendly. And now you can see Calendly does not have a green check mark next to it. So that means it is not connected to my JotForm. So if you want to go ahead and connect Calendly again, you would need to re-add it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to remove or delete your Calendly from your JotForm, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.